Hey, how's it going? This is Mario and I'm going to give you a full demo of our brand new ADA Leadz platform so that you can see exactly what it does and how it works in action, okay? Now, after you log in, this is the first screen that you see. There is a nice dashboard where you can see all how many prospects you have right here. You can see how many clients you have. There's a link here to the training section, the help section, the FAQ, and there's also a welcome video waiting for you, okay? Now, the meat of ADA Leadz is all about lead generation, right? So if I click here on prospects, I can now click on Prospect Finder and I can do a search for leads, okay? So if I click here, for example, and I put dentist, and then here I put, let's say, San Diego, you're going to see here that our search is actually powered by the Google API and Google engine, so you will get laser accurate results, okay? I'm going to go here with San Diego, and once I click search, it's going to bring me all the leads that have a website that is not compliant with the ADA guidelines, okay? So let's do that real quick. I'm going to click here on search. And now, as you can see, it brought me up a bunch of leads right here. And if I want to have more leads, I always can click here on more, okay? But one thing I want you to first of all notice is it shows me all the actual businesses with websites, okay? Because ADA and web accessibility right now applies to any business that has a website. If your client's website is not compliant, they are open to a huge lawsuit, okay? And here I have the leads right now listed, the name, domain, street. I can click here on this button where it shows the eye. Now I can get even more information and I can have it in a different overview like categories. I can even see the Google ratings, country, city, and so forth. If I like this one, this dentistry, and I want to add it as an official lead and then potentially send them a website audit and reach out to them by email, I can click here on add lead, for example, all right? And now what the system is going to do, it's going to add this to my leads. I can even pick a category that you can specify. So here, for example, I have dentist. I can save this right now. And this lead was now added to my leads officially, okay? So I can click here on your prospects, and here I can see all of the leads that I have, okay? And you can see the one that we just added. I have a chiropractic right here, restaurants, any niche that you can work with that you want to help with ADA services and web accessibility, okay? Now, if you want to add a new category, you can do it right here. If you want to add a new prospect, you can also add one manually right here. That is totally up to you, or you can just use our app right here, okay? Now, the next thing that is awesome about our software is that it creates a beautiful and stunning website compliance audit, okay? So I can go here and I can click on this button right here, and now I can have it perform an ADA accessibility audit, right? There's some advanced features right here, but I'm going to focus on the main feature right now. ADA accessibility, I can click here on generate, and now the software, as you can see here, audit requested, is going to go, and in just 10 seconds, it's going to create a customized, beautiful, stunning report for us here in real time, okay? So what you're going to see here in just a second, and it happened right now, this little notification bar, I can click on that, and here I can look at my new audit, or here on the left-hand side, I can click here on audit, right? Now let's click on this and check this out. In just a second, I created this beautiful website audit for this website right here, okay? Now we have graphics right here. We have professional copy right here that explains to the prospect why they need help with their accessibility for their websites immediately. I mean, now we have stats right here. We even have a screenshot of a news report right here. We have a CNN news report right here, Fox News report, CNBC, and all this copy right here that's going to show your prospect why they need help with accessibility, right? Then in addition to that, everything that is not compliant on their website is listed right here. So here on the left-hand side, it shows the element. Then here in simple English, it explains what it's about. And then also here is the technical explanation of what it's about. And it's going to show everything that is non-compliant with this specific website, okay? With this dentistry website in San Diego. And as you can see, they're going to realize immediately that they're going to need some help, right? Then at the end of the report, there's also a strong call to action right here, a reminder of why they have to comply with ADA, and then also there's a logo and a actual contact information as well. If you go with the pro version of ADA Leadz, you can actually customize anything you want inside of this audit right here. And the best part is obviously that you can now use this audit and you can email it to the prospect. You can even charge for a free website audit, or you can use it as a value add, or you can, just use it as a foot in the door strategy. And then here you can edit, you can view it, you can delete it. There's all these options right here. And then if I click here on clients, once you signed up up once you turn a prospect into a client, now here you can actually manage your clients as well. You can export the file as a CVS. If you want to send them an SEO report or a performance report, which is one of our pro features, you can do that as well. And there's all these different options that you have right here, okay? So this is a lead generation. If I go back here to prospects, a lead generation software that focuses specifically on ADA leads. If I click here on audits, I can see all the reports that are already created for different prospects right here when I sent them out. And another cool thing is you can email directly from our website your actual prospects, right? With just one button, you can send an email out, okay? And depending on if you send it already, you can see it also here in our software. And there's some advanced features. If I click here on settings, you can actually, with the pro version, customize the information that shows up inside of the website audit, for example, and even the footer and other things as well. If you want to send your own emails with your own autoresponder, you can add your own SMTP settings right here, your own API settings. I mean, this is a really, really cool software. And again, with the pro version, for example, we also have team collaboration right here, but these are some things that are beyond the scope of this actual demo video right here. But that's it. It is ADA Leadz. This is a demo. I hope it makes sense. We have training right here. We have tutorials waiting for you. We have an FAQ section, the welcome video. We're using a Google-powered search to help you find businesses that need globally, worldwide help with ADA because their websites are not compliant. And if you're an agency, if you're a local marketer, if you're an online marketer, this is a fantastic software right now during the pandemic that you can use to help and provide a unique and actually helpful service, right? Because all your competitors, what are they offering? They're just offering boring SEO and social media services, right? You can show up right now and you can help them with actual something unique and something that is needed right now, which is web accessibility. So go ahead right now, check out the other examples on the sales page. I think you will love what you see and I can't wait to see you inside the members area. Talk soon.